Preparing a detailed construction repair estimate after a fire loss, a public adjuster's comprehensive approach. Today we're going to give you a step-by-step guide. First is the initial assessment. Our public adjusters conduct a thorough survey of the fire damaged property, documenting all visible damage with detailed notes and photography. Next step is gathering necessary information. We delve into the homeowner's background, considering the home's history, repairs performed since ownership, and whether any permits were previously pulled. The third step is we consider the pre-loss pictures and photos. To aid in recreating the home's appearance, we inquire whether the homeowner possesses pre-loss pictures and videos, particularly those shared on social media during special occasions. Next step would be creating a detailed scope of work. Based on our assessment and discussions with the homeowner, we meticulously outline the repair work needed, categorizing each task into specific sections with associated costs. Obtaining cost data. Our public adjusters conduct extensive research to determine the accurate material and labor cost in the local market, considering any price fluctuations due to the fire's impact on the construction industry. Calculating labor costs. We estimate the required labor hours for each task and apply appropriate labor rates to ensure precise cost calculations. Estimating material cost. A comprehensive list of materials needed for the repair work is compiled, and their corresponding costs are included in the estimate. Factoring in hard and soft cost. We educate the homeowner about the distinction between hard and soft costs, explaining how each affects the overall estimate. Addressing logistical concerns. As a public adjuster, we know the logistical challenges can significantly impact the rebuilding process. For instance, rural locations. We account for additional costs associated with transporting construction workers and materials to remote areas. Private communities. When working under community restrictions, we carefully estimate the work to comply with limitations while maximizing efficiency. Landmark homes. Restoring historic properties requires specialized expertise and may affect material selection and approval processes. Accessible islands. For homes on private islands accessible only by ferry, we estimate the work hours based on ferry schedules, and we also estimate the amount of money needed to accommodate the workers. Material supply issues. We explore alternatives and account for potential delays if the nearest suppliers are far from the fire damage location. The role of professionals and soft cost. To rebuild the home properly, various professionals may be required. These can include architect, involved in designing the structure and layout of the home. Engineers, ensure the structural integrity and safety of the rebuild. Expediters, handle permits, zoning, and approvals from local authorities. Owners' representatives, acts on behalf of the homeowner, coordinating the rebuild. Interior designers, assist in the aesthetics aspects of the rebuild. Emphasizing the big picture. At United Public Adjusters and Appraisers, Inc., we understand that a comprehensive approach is vital. By considering all aspects of the rebuild, including logistical challenges, we provide accurate and realistic estimates. In conclusion, navigating the aftermath of a fire loss requires meticulous planning and expert guidance. As experienced public adjusters, we go beyond the standard fire claim process to account for logistical challenges that can impact the rebuilding process. Our proactive approach ensures that policyholders receive fair compensation and timely restoration. By considering the big picture and addressing the intricate details of the recreation process, we stand by our commitment to represent the homeowner's best interest. With our expertise and dedication, you can confidently embark on rebuilding your cherished home after a fire loss. Thank you for your time.